Guys, when I tell you we get all kinds of cars in here, check it out. We got a Foose Mustang built in 2008 when the show was all very popular. How many they built of these?
5 in 08.
5 in 08. Look at this thing. That's insane. That's a good looking car. I like the color scheme. And it's got custom interior with Foose in the middle. See, Foose designs. That's cool. And it's signed right there. Man, that brings back memories of the show. That's cool. There's the Foose designs serial number on it. That is so cool. Procharged. Woo! That's so cool, man. Yeah, go ahead and start it up for us. Look at that. That's cool. I'm gonna let you guys hear it before. It's me. It's got a Procharged on it. It's me. It's got a cab. Then we got a Hellcat on it. That sounds better. Give it gas a little bit. Charger wide. That's a fat car, dude. I like it. Foose Mustang. Rev it. Go ahead. Hey, 124 on this beast. Bro, it hit 124. 124. See if you can make it louder. Make it beat. 128. That's crazy. I love my job. I get to have fun all day long. Kick Foose special, guys, Mustang. Rev it. That's the owner of the vehicle, by the way, guys. We never rev them that high. Hell yeah. That's pure American muscle right there. At its finest, with a Procharged. You can't beat it. Beautiful. Perfect. There's his Instagram, guys. Please go follow him. Tell him Exhaust Addicts sent you. Tell him to keep having fun. One more. Rev it. It's pushing around 700 horse, guys. I want to let you guys know that. Hey, just another day at Exhaust Addicts.
That's it, baby.
Here's another one. Go!
America.
America the best, bro. Can't beat. Can you do that in Australia?
Hell no.
What will happen?
Yeah,
You guys go to jail or what?
Yeah, they'll impound this shit.
Really?